long, U.
Silent, E.
U, U.
U.
The letter U with a silent E can also sound like U. Look at that mule. Mule. Isn't he cute? What have you got, cute mule? Oh, wow! Lots of cubes. Yeah, I love to play with these. Oh, look! This one has a funny-looking fuse. Now is a good time to be mute. Say nothing.
U, B, cube. K, U, B, cube. U, T, mute. U, T, mute. U, S, fuse. U, S, fuse. K, U, T, cute. K, U, T, cute. U, mule. U, mule.
1,
U, B, cube.
2,
U, T, mute.
3,
U, S, fuse.
4,
K, U, T, cute.
5,
U, mule.